What's up guys, I'm George Lahoff and today I'm Maker's Best Friend. I'm going to show you guys how I made this butterfly wine holder for the Inventables Easel 60-minute challenge. Check it out. I started off by importing an image of a butterfly into Fusion 360 that would make it a lot easier to trace the parts for this design. I scaled the image up to a large enough size that I could fit 6 wine bottles inside of it, and this allowed me to easily create the parts at all the same scale. From here, there are 2 ways I could get the design into the Easel software for the 60-minute competition. First, I could use Easel's provided post-processor to export G-code that is accepted by the Easel software, but this doesn't allow you to simulate the toolpaths in Easel. Therefore, I exported the design files of sketches and used a free online converter to make the files into an SVG format, which I can then import into Easel and then generate the toolpaths from there. I was able to get the design under 60 minutes of cutting by increasing the speeds, although Fusion 360 actually estimated a much faster time than I was seeing through Easel software for some reason. At this point I wanted to test out my design, so I used the Mazzo CNC to cut out the butterfly wine holder. This was great because it is a much larger design, so the large CNC was perfect for cutting it out. I wanted to replicate the medley of colors that are normally seen on a butterfly's wings, so I first painted the entire wine rack white as a base. And then I used this hydro dripping technique where you could just spray several different paint colors into a bucket of water and then dip your piece into the water and you'll end up grabbing all of the paint, which instantly attaches on. It also dried a lot faster than I ever would have expected. But man, look how great this color comes out. After the paint dried, I glued the wings to the base of the butterfly and applied a coating of polyurethane to protect the paint and make it last longer. And then I was all done. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just some comments. This is the first design of the butterfly wine holder. I have some improvements to make to it, but I plan to make some small, medium, and large sizes that I'll probably sell on my Etsy page. So check that link out below. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button below. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment below. I try to get back to every single one of you guys. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks again for watching, guys.